regarding series of programs regarding discussion of legal precedents. I'm presenting Aisha Razaka, Advocate, Supreme Court. I'm presenting another landmark case judgment recently decided by Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan. Dear folks, this is a very interesting case in the judicial history of Pakistan. A man was convicted of rape under Section 376 of Pakistan Penal Code. His conviction was upheld by the Honorable High Court. But now again, that accused person who was convicted by the trial court, and his sentence was upheld by the High Court. He filed an appeal before the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan. By dilating upon the facts of the case, Supreme Court of Pakistan reached upon a conclusion and converted his conviction under Section 376 into conviction under Section 496B of Pakistan Penal Code, which pertains to fornication. Now, the difference, Supreme Court concluded this case and reached upon this conclusion of converting this conviction from Section 376 Pakistan Penal Code into Section 496B of Pakistan Penal Code by reviewing the facts of the case. When Supreme Court of Pakistan came to know that the FIR was recorded after a delay of 7 months, it was a deliberate delay of 7 months. Supreme Court reached upon a conclusion that there was a consent of a woman in the sexual intercourse activity that took place between her and the accused person. So that is why Supreme Court converted this sentence from Section 376 PPC into Section 496 PPC. Section 496 PPC pertains to fornication, whereas Section 376 of Pakistan Penal Code pertains to rape. The difference between rape and fornication is that in a rape, a person conducts sexual intercourse without the consent of a woman, whereas in a fornication, there is a consent of both man and female, and regarding conducting of sexual intercourse. So that is the major difference. And if a person is convicted under fornication, he can be sentenced up to a maximum of 5 years. And a woman would also be held liable and would also be sentenced for up to 5 years maximum, whereas in a rape, only a man would be convicted, and he can be sentenced for up to 25 years, and minimum sentence he can be awarded under rape regarding Section 376 PPC is the minimum sentence is 10 years. So whereas in a fornication, both man and the female would be held liable and would have to face conviction. But interestingly, in this case, when Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan converted this sentence under Section 376 rape offense into a fornication offense of Section 496B, Honorable Supreme Court only held that accused man liable, not the female, just on the basis that the female did not have the opportunity to defend her during the trial proceedings before the trial court, nor did she have any opportunity to undergo into any cross examination, nor any charge was framed upon that lady under Section 496B, since she did not undergo into an opportunity to defend herself before the trial court. The Supreme Court concluded that in this manner, in these circumstances, only a man would be held liable under Section 496B, which pertains to fornication. If, however, if a woman would have undergone through the process of framing of charge, would have gone through the process to defend herself, then she could have been liable under Section 496B. But since she did not have the opportunity to defend herself during trial proceedings, nor a charge was framed upon her during the trial court proceedings, so in these circumstances, only the accused person Hassan Khan would be held liable under Section 496B of Pakistan Penal Code. Therefore, Supreme Court of Pakistan converted his sentence under Section 376 into Section 496B of Pakistan Penal Code, which pertains to fornication. This citation is PLD 2026, Supreme Court, page number 187. Thank you very much, Shirazaka Advocate. Thank you very much.